will you kick?
My name is Mateausz Mozo. Ytes, Mama.
Hello everyone, this is Mama Ytes and welcome to our channel.
Are you still looking at me?
What's this? What picture is this, baby?
Kite.
Kite. So, this is a kite. It starts with letter K. And the sound of a letter K is K is for kite. 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 The word kite start with letter K and the sound of the letter K is next picture. What do you call this one?
Kangaroo.
Okay, kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. 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 The word kangaroo start with letter K and the sound of the letter K is wow. Next picture. What do you call this one, baby boy? Wow, this is a kettle. K is for kettle. 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 So the word kettle start with letter start with letter K and the sound of the letter K is next picture. Knife. Yeah, knife. And the ice here. What do you call this one? Key. The word key start with letter K and the sound of the letter K. Ice here. What is the sound of the letter K? Okay, go. Sing. K as for key. Key. Okay, next. What do you call this one? This is a
Kiwi.
again.
Kiwi.
Okay, kiwi. It starts with letter K. Okay, go. Sing. K is for kiwi.
Kiwi.
Kiwi. It starts with letter K and the sound of the letter K. We have to read these words.
Kind.
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 Again.
Kind.
Kind. Next. So it starts with letter K. What is the sound of the letter K? Next. 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 Read. Kind. Kind.
Kind.
Very good. Next one. Kick. Kick. How will you kick? Kick. How will you stand up? Kick. Go, stand up. Stand up. Kick. 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 How will you kick? So that is It starts with letter K, and the sound of the letter K is kick. Kick. Next one, king. 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 Next. How will you read? Kid. How will you read? Kid. How will you read? Kid. It starts with letter K, and the sound of the letter K is for kid. 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 Next one. Kiss. Kiss. It starts with letter K. Next. What is the sound of the letter K? Next. How will you read? Okay, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Next. How will you read that one? Read. How will you read? Okay, kit. 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 K as for kit. 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 Next one. This one is a keyboard. K as for keyboard. 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 So the word keyboard start with letter K, and the sound of the letter K is again. What is the sound of the letter K? Next, you have to write this one. What do you call this one? This is a key. So you have to write the word key here. Okay, go, write. Up. Next, letter E. Next, letter Y. Y. Start ka sa red. Letter Y. Again, write here. Write it here. Go. Go. Next. E. What is the sound of the letter E? Eh. What is the sound of the letter E? Eh. Next. Next. Letter Y. Go. Na, enough. Wow, great job. So this is a
Key.
key. It starts with letter K, and the sound of the letter K. What picture is that, baby?
Kiwi.
Again?
Kiwi.
So it starts with letter K, and the sound of the letter K. Is here. Again, what picture is that? What picture is that? This is a
Kiwi.
again
Kiwi.
kiwi. By this time, you are going to read a story about the kite in the sky. So the story is about the
Sky.
in the
Sky.
sky. It was a windy day. A koala and a kangaroo were playing. Koala was climbing the tree. Kangaroo was jumping. They were singing the alphabet song. Suddenly, they saw a
Sky.
kite. It was flying in the sky. It was colored with lovely, colors. A koala and a kangaroo were
Play.
the story The Kite in the Sky. The word kite start with letter K, and the sound of the letter K. Again. Thank you for watching. This is Mama Marites, and
Mateausz Mozo.
thank you for watching. God bless.
Why you still looking at me?